Alright, so today is winch day. Gonna throw the winch up there, and got this plate here, and I got these bolts for free, so I'm gonna use them. I did start out by grinding up that sawzall bit there that was already smoked, and I was just using the end of it, ground that down so it would fit in the hole to make it square. And then freaking stupid me, I went to set this one up, just started to do it, and I was like, wait a minute, why don't I just freaking grind that round? So that's what's gonna happen for the other two. Alright, so I got the big hog out. Gotta drill those holes through. Got one here, one unfortunately down there. Not sure how that's gonna work out. I'm gonna try to angle it in as much as I can. Then one right there. Worked much better just grinding those bolts down. I don't know what I was thinking before, but that's what we got. So yeah, whole hog this out, get her bolted out. Hopefully this gets it. So that wasn't bad at all. I really didn't even need this handle on. I forget because every time I use the whole hogs, I had to use that big counter bore, and that when it freaking grabbed you, it was going wherever it wanted to. So, but these drills weren't too bad. These auger bits. That one actually came out pretty well. Didn't have any problems. Gotta clean it out, but that's that. Alright, so I got the black wires wired up. Got the box just kind of chilling on there. Got those bolts through, got these bolted up. And hopefully you'll be able to see me struggle trying to put this on. Alright, now that's not gonna work. So, not sure if you could see all that yet, but this is not gonna work in that configuration. So, probably could just, yeah, I won't even be able to tighten those screws back there. So, I just flip it around on there. Might look goofy because the wires come out the front, but it won't touch the cable because the fairlead would be right there. So let's see if I can do that. Off my fingers. Oh, God. Really don't want to take that back out. That's it. That's it. She's in there. So if I just do something like that. Big mess. Oh yeah, it's connected. Probably gonna end up having to take that little wire off. Oh, darn, that was a pain. Oh well. So, maybe not. I left that loose in case I need to wiggle it a little bit. Hello, stranger. Alright. So I think that might be it. Just keep it like that. I'll make sure that wire's out of the way. Route these over there. Wish there was a better way. Maybe I'll think of something else, but for now that'll do. Got it all hooked up. Works like a charm. Got the bracket painted before I put it all together. I did have to move this because of the way I wanted to mount it. It wasn't going to make it there, so just moved it over, made another hole. That's just fine like that. And I'll have the toolbox come right over top of this. I'm borrowing my stepdad's just a truck bed toolbox for now. Once we get the deck on, I'll put that toolbox right over top of that. Might just keep this plugged in and put this cord in the toolbox. Never know. So not going to take it all out, but the old Harbor Freight unit works just fine for now. I didn't have a proper wire loom, so had some of this tubing laying around, which is better than that. Anyway, so just route it down here. That's it. My nice, quick and easy negative and positive hookups. Off my second battery. Take care of that. Alright, so the final objective of today is to take this hitch out. As you can see, we really can't the normal way. So, got cutoff wheel, grinding wheel. Actually got a couple cutoff wheels in the garage, but shall see about getting this off so I can put a normal hitch on it and then cut that off here because I don't want to put one out there. And U-Haul probably did this so idiots don't haul trailers bigger than what's meant to be towed with this, but I'm idiots, so this needs to go. Boy, was that a friggin' pain in the old sack, grinding all that off. Started by cutting the ball off with cutoff wheels, just one wheel, and then just grinding it down with this. Had a new one. Didn't really use it too bad. I used the edge a lot. Used the edge and just dug in there. But now I have a hitchable ride. Cut all those off. This was the nut that was welded underneath. There's what's left of the ball. Yeah, I guess it wasn't too bad. I only went through 4 batteries. Yeah, only 4. Got the bottom side all cleaned up as well. Ready to go. So I can put a 2 and... I believe 2 and 5/8 is our car trailer, but I'm not sure. No, that's not right. 2 and 5/16 maybe? I'm not sure. But different than what was in there. And plus, that not serviceable. That's not great. So I already got the chain things there. Got my plug. Should be getting the plug adapter soon, in case I need a 4 or 5 or 6. And yeah, that's about it. I'm done for the day.